What you doing there?
Making a sanding machine.
Sanding, what?
Sanding machine.
Sanding machine. Oh dear. Oh. What? So you make it like longer or bigger?
I've made it a bit shorter.
Huh? You make what?
A bit shorter.
And what you doing here? So you attach that to
Yeah, that's the base one now. So
where's the machine?
the motor's over here.
Where's the motor?
Over here on the bench.
Where is this?
Motor.
Huh?
Treadmill motor.
Treadmill motor.
Mm.
Okay. That's from this one.
The treadmill.
So the owner will chuck that in the dump.
Yep.
And you get it?
Yep.
Huh?
Yep.
Because of you need the machine.
The motor.
Oh, the motor. Yeah.
So that's the basic bit of it done now. Is it sort of like
Goodness, Ty, you are so busy in your workshop.
So that's the sort of basic.
So that
thing
is
we've
very
done now. And
So
the lifts
what
up
is gonna
there,
happen? What's that?
That's a lifting table because your roller's in here that does your sanding.
Yeah.
So this adjusts the height, how thick you want to sand.
So you have to lift it.
I'll make some sort of lifting mechanism, maybe I'll think of something.
Right. Okay.
So that's,
Why? Because it's too high. That's too high.
you got to have something to hold it there while you're working.
Yeah.
You can put a screw and a thread up from underneath with a handle.
What is the next you're gonna do? Guitar. This one?
No, I don't know.
Oh,
Yet.
Ty. That style of guitar you.
Well, one day that'll be for Darren when he does his kids thing.
Ah, okay. So that's the style of guitar you want to
That's
make.
what he wants, yeah, something like that.
Okay. So you're gonna make it for him.
Yep.
Right. Oh, so what's that?
Well, that's the thing that'll have the sandpaper on it.
Right. It's
No.
gonna be on the top?
No, it'll be underneath. It goes underneath there.
Right. And then the machine is over there?
The
The motor is
motor's here with the belt.
Oh, right.
So,
Almost done?
well, yes and no. I've still got a bit to do yet. Basically got this bit done.
Oh, goodness, Ty. You got a lot of things in here. Alright. You're very busy today. So that's the motor, is it?
Well, this is a motor that you can use to lift it.
Yeah.
It's on a screw, and if you fix that point, that'll screw up and down. That can raise that up and down. So I'd have to mount it.
Alright.
I'd have to mount it underneath here somewhere.
Oh. So you have to put that underneath. Alright. We'll see.
In the middle underneath.
Yeah, we'll see. It's gonna happen. What's gonna happen when it's finished?
See
Okay.
how much lift I can get out. I can always extend that, I suppose.
Okay.
Plenty of
What a
room.
beautiful day over there, Ty.
Yeah. Plenty of lift
You-
here, look. There's plenty of lift.
So,
more than enough lift from what I need, see?
Mm. So beautiful day over there. Mm.
So I'll have to make a bracket for this.
Yeah.
Something to hold this.
Have a good day, everybody.